You should include all the Amla members to do Waqf-e-Arzi and at least sacrifice 2 weeks for Waqf-e-Arzi. Each and every Amla member should go for Waqf-e-Arzi to different places to teach Quran and to do tabligh. And then from among national Amla members and then local Amla members and Khudam Amla members and Lajnah Amla members and Insar Amla members, a good number of Waqf-e-Arzi who can help you to teach young children and who can also do some tabligh and other tarbiyat programs in different jamaats, collect information and go door to door, and even from among Amla members, ask them to give some time, offer 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and so that they can be sent out to different jamaats for teaching Quran or for other training purposes. See, this is how you can make better training. You don't have enough missionaries, you don't have trained people. So if your Waqf-e-Arzi are in good number, then you can have better achievement of training and doing tarbiyat of your Jamaat members and yourself as well.
Inshallah.
So your target should be at least 500 Waqf-e-Arzi for this year.
Inshallah.